Inside After Effects, there are a lot of great effects you can choose from. For example, inside Blur and Sharpen, we can click and drag the fast blur onto our text. Then we can go into our Effect Controls panel, and we'll see that under the drop shadow we now have fast blur. And under the blurriness layer, we can click and drag to add blur to our layer. Now once again, this can also be keyframed. So for example, let's set it to 0. Click on the stopwatch, and then we'll go over to 4 seconds and put it to 50. So if we go into our text effect layer, drop down the arrow, go into effects, we now see that fast blur has a keyframe there and a keyframe right here. So at here it starts at 0, and as it goes it grows all the way up to 50. And that gives us a blurring effect over time.